Have you ever stood in the grocery aisle staring at a carton of eggs and wondered, could these hatch? It's a curious thought that might have crossed your mind more than once. It's a question that has likely crossed many minds. Eggs are such a common part of our daily lives, yet they hold a mystery that few of us truly understand. After all, we know eggs are where baby chickens come from. The sight of a chick breaking free from its shell is a familiar one, often seen in nature documentaries and farm visits. So why don't we see a flurry of feathers erupting from our breakfast staples? Why is it that the eggs we buy from the store never seem to hatch, no matter how long we keep them? The answer lies in a fascinating blend of biology and commercial practices. It's a combination of science and industry that ensures the eggs we consume are safe and non-viable. To understand why those eggs in your fridge won't be hatching anytime soon, we need to delve into the science of chicken reproduction and the journey those eggs take from farm to table. This journey is meticulously controlled to prevent fertilization. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an egg-cellent adventure. We'll uncover the secrets behind the eggs you see in the store, and the processes that keep them from becoming chicks. We'll explore the intricate process of fertilization, the carefully controlled environment of commercial egg production, and the crucial role of storage conditions. From the moment an egg is laid, it undergoes a series of steps to ensure it remains unfertilized and safe for consumption. By the end, you'll be an egg expert, ready to impress your friends with the real reason those store-bought eggs stay dormant. You'll understand the science and the industry practices that make it all possible, turning a simple grocery item into a fascinating subject of discussion. Let's start with the basics. Chicken reproduction is a fascinating process that begins with the creation of an egg. For an egg to hatch, it needs one crucial ingredient: fertilization. Without this, the egg will never develop into a chick. Think of it like a lock and key. The egg is the lock, and the sperm is the key that unlocks the potential for life. The female chicken, known as the hen, produces an egg containing half the genetic material needed to create a chick. This egg is formed inside her body and is laid whether or not it is fertilized. The male chicken or rooster provides the other half of the genetic material through fertilization. This is a crucial step in the reproductive process. When a rooster and hen mate, the rooster's sperm fertilizes the hen's egg inside her body. This fertilization process is essential for the development of a new chick. This union of genetic material triggers the development of a chick embryo within the egg. Over time, the embryo grows and develops, preparing for life outside the egg. The hen then lays the fertilized egg, and with the right conditions such as warmth and humidity, the embryo will continue to grow until it's ready to hatch. This process can take about 21 days. However, not all eggs go through this process. Many eggs are laid without ever being fertilized. In fact, the vast majority of eggs we find in grocery stores are unfertilized. These eggs are produced for consumption and do not contain the necessary genetic material to develop into chicks. This is because commercial egg production focuses on producing eggs for consumption, not for hatching chicks. These facilities are designed to maximize the number of eggs produced by hens, ensuring a steady supply for consumers. So, how do those unfertilized eggs end up on our plates? Let's take a closer look at the journey they undertake. It's all part of a highly efficient system, designed to maximize productivity and ensure quality. Commercial egg farms house hens without roosters, creating an environment where hens can lay eggs without the need for fertilization. This ensures that the eggs laid are unfertilized, which is ideal for consumption. The hens lay eggs regularly as part of their natural cycle, even without a rooster present. This natural process is harnessed to meet our demand for eggs. Once laid, the eggs are collected by workers or automated systems, then cleaned to remove any contaminants. They are also graded for quality and size to ensure consistency. After grading, the eggs are carefully packaged into cartons and refrigerated to maintain their freshness until they reach the consumer. This entire process, from hen to grocery store, is designed to provide us with a consistent supply of safe and nutritious eggs, ready for our kitchens. But this efficiency comes at a price: the absence of fertilization. This means the eggs are purely for consumption and cannot develop into chicks. Without that crucial step of fertilization, the eggs lack the necessary components to develop into chicks. No matter how long you keep them warm, they remain just as they are, perfect for eating, but never hatching. Let's imagine for a moment that you were determined to hatch a store-bought egg. You might try incubating it at the perfect temperature, hoping to spark life within, but alas, your efforts would be futile. Here's why. Even if a store-bought egg were to be fertilized, which is extremely unlikely, the storage conditions would make hatching nearly impossible. Refrigeration, while essential for preserving freshness, halts the development of any potential embryo. Think of it like pressing pause on a movie. The egg's development is put on hold, preventing it from reaching the point of hatching. So those eggs in your refrigerator, despite their potential, are destined for the frying pan, not the nesting box.